All right, so I know I said that I was going to just post step-by-step instructions, but I figured this would probably be a little easier. Um, my name is Lane Greer, and um, I'm going to walk you through setting up custom default um, text and formatting settings in Google Docs. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to jump over to Google Drive. All right, so here I am in Google Drive. I'm going to create a new document. This document's going to be arbitrary. You don't necessarily need to keep it, but I'm going to go ahead and title it custom text and page formatting. All right, so you can see here my page margins are set at about 1 inch. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to edit those, right? So I'm going to go up to File. I'm going to bring down Page Setup. I'm going to adjust these. I don't do a lot of formal document presentations or documents that I have to prepare. So I'm going to make these 0.25 because real estate's really what matters to me. So I'm going to do 0.25, 0.25, 0.25, 0.25. All right. So now I'm going to set this as default. All right. So this is my default for Google Docs in general. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to type test text, and I'm going to copy that. And then I'm going to make this 7 or 8. What is that? 8? 7? That's 7. I think I need one more. 8. All right, so this top one is going to be normal text. All right, so I would really rather my normal text. I'm going to highlight all that. My normal text I would really prefer to be 10. And for my font, I'm going to go in and I'm going to jump into more fonts. I'm going to pick a different font that I maybe don't already have installed. We're going to do Laura. This looks good. So we're going to do this as my normal. This is going to be my default text font. Now I'm going to do my title font. So we're going to take this. We're going to call this normal text. Okay, and then I'm going to make this title. And I'm going to say that my title text is going to be something like 24. Okay, 24 is going to be, I really like the condensed. So we're going to do Roboto condensed. Okay, and we're going to go super googly on this, and we're going to have my primary title color be red. All right, and then the next one is going to be subtitle. I'm going to highlight that. I'm going to make this 18. All right. And I'm going to leave this as Arial. I think Arial looks pretty good for that. And I'm going to make this color my subtitle is going to be blue, and I'm going to make that italic. All right. And then I'm going to go down to my headings, right? So we're going to do headings 1 through 5. So this is going to be heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, and heading 5. I'm also going to add a heading 6. All right, so now I'm going to start messing with these. Okay, so I'm going to make this a like a dark gray. It's going to be bold, and we're going to leave it sitting at about 14. All right. And then I'm going to do this one is going to be a like a dark yellow. I wouldn't actually do any of these, but it does make it a little bit nicer when you start dealing with headings, just to show the differentiation. So I'm going to make that heading 2, and then I'm going to take this one and I'm going to make this one heading 3. We're going to say this is going to be like a green and bold. This is going to be, say heading 4 is going to be used largely for like dates and stuff. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to make it like an 8. I'm going to make it italic. I'm going to make it a lighter gray color. All right, so that's going to be heading 4. Heading 5 is going to be, and then we're going to do heading 6. It's going to be one further than that. So heading 5, we're going to say, what color am I missing here? We're going to do, sure, like this purpley color. And then heading 6 is going to be like a, heading 6 is going to be just this obnoxious link blue, right? All right, so here's all my headings. Now what am I going to do? I'm going to go up here. I'm going to go up here to normal text, update normal text to match. All right, same thing with title. Okay, we're going to go over here. We're going to go to title, update title to match. We're going to go to subtitle, update subtitle to match. Heading 1, update heading 1 to match. 2, update heading 2 to match. You're seeing I'm going to run out here in a second. Heading 3 to match. When I get to 4, this is also going to live under the paragraph styles. There you go. So heading 4, update heading 4 to match. Heading 5, paragraph style, update heading 5 to match. Heading 6, format, paragraph, update heading 6 to match. All right, so now we've done this. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go back here to my paragraph styles, go to options, and you can see right here it says save as my default styles. All right, so I'm going to hit save as my default styles. All right, so now I'm going to trash this document. Move to trash. All right, so now it's in the trash. I'm going to jump back to my drive. All right, so my drive. I'm going to refresh because you'll see that custom text and page formatting document is going to be gone. It's actually not gone. I want it to go away. Go away. There, it's gone. All right, so now I'm going to create a new document. And we're going to call this document proof is in the pudding. All right, so now you can see I opened the document up. It went ahead and started me right here. I am planning to test out the headings and title and subtitle. That means heading 1 through 7 through 6, in addition to normal text and the title items. All right, so now right here I've got this listed as normal text. Normal text is normal text. This is going to be title. This is going to be subtitle. I'm going to show you a little keyboard shortcut here. So when you get to the headings, you can hit Control and Alt and 1 through 6. So I'm going to hit Control Alt 1, Control Alt 2, Control Alt 3, Control Alt 4, Control Alt 5, Control Alt 6. Now any of these I can drop bullets into if I want to. All right, so there you go. That's how you create custom text styles and have them default to all of your Google Docs moving forward. Hope that was helpful.